Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Apple TV 4K.
4K. Not only 4K, but it has, according to the box, 120 gigabytes of memory. It supports Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So this is really kind of cool. It's got a lot in it.
It's cool. And we already have an Apple TV. I think this is, I don't know how many we've had, but this is the third generation. And what's really cool about this one is that it can be a Matter hub for our smart home.
Yes, but it also does Apple Music Sing Along, which I think is going to be really cool.
Well, I don't know. We'll see which
Well,
one's
it's kind of like it's kind of like karaoke,
It's like
for
karaoke.
your home,
For your
right?
TV.
Yeah.
Right, so let's open it up. Ready?
You just like doing those things.
Of course I do. Apple makes it so fun. I just follow the arrows.
Yes, but will the box open now?
I guess you have to turn it over.
I think they do this intentionally. It's just to see how long people take to open them up.
All right, there it is. Let's see, little black box.
Ooh, what has it got on there?
It's got a label.
Ooh, look at that. Holy cow.
Very exciting. All right, it's very shiny. It's got some ports on the back. Power. Looks like
HDMI.
HDMI,
and
Ethernet.
Ethernet. Now, you don't have to use the Ethernet. You can hook it up just with Wi-Fi.
Gonna go to your Wi-Fi.
Yeah, more stickers for you to... Oh, man, look at that.
Ooh, is that like a base?
That's all about that. That's it. Wow, that's pretty cool. So, pretty lightweight. Not much to it.
Did we get a new remote? Oh, there we did. We got a new remote.
We got a new remote.
Ooh, more fun. Ready? Oh, I'm not doing it the right way. Where are my arrows?
Just pull it.
Oh, there it is. No.
Do a thing. Oh, look at that.
Ripped it.
You ripped it open. Well, I think it still works as a remote. Let's see. Okay, so this remote, it actually feels heavier than the last remote. I wonder why. Anyway, yeah, there's the remote. You got the speaking button on the side. You got all the buttons here for, start and stop, muting, volume.
Oh, this is a different kind of cord.
No, it's the same cord.
Is it the same
Yeah,
cord?
it's the same cord as they always use. So nice power cord. What I always like about these Apple TVs is that you just plug the cord into here. You don't have one of those bricks.
Yeah, that's
You know what I
true.
mean? That's really kind of nice. So that's it. It's everything you need to do it.
Everything you need. So we're excited to get this installed so we can
Sing along.
sing along. And the sing along feature is really neat. We have played with it a little bit. So you can change the volume so you can have a little bit of backup or a lot of backup or no backup. So
I need no backup.
I need a lot of backup. So anyway,
So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, really from a smart home perspective, the fact that it works with Matter, obviously in HomeKit, it acts as there's a hub for that. That's pretty exciting because that'll give us a chance as products come along to be able to test it with this hub.
great. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.